Welcome back to Primetime Sports Wednesday. The West Indies are staring at a first ever Test series defeat at home against Pakistan after 5 wickets fell in the final session of Day 4 to tilt the second Test the visitors' way. The Caribbean side closed on 264 for 9, an overall lead of 183 runs at the Kensington Oval in Barbados.
21 runs ahead.
The West Indies resumed Day 4 and 40 for 1 in their second innings, needing a further 41 runs to make Pakistan bat again. They lost 2 wickets in the opening session, the first of which was Shimran Hetmyer for 22. Craig Brathwaite batted to a 56-run third wicket stand with Shea Hope, but when Yasir Shah switched the attack to round the wicket, he found bounce and a turn which proved too much for Brathwaite, who fell for 43. The Caribbean side reached 112 for 3 at lunch, having scored 72 in the opening session. And they had an even better post-lunch session. They scored 85 runs and lost just 1 wicket, that of first innings century maker Boston Chase, who offered a return catch to Shaw for 23. Chase had shared 58 for the 4th wicket with Hope, who pushed on to his maiden Test at 50, as West Indies reached 197 for 4 at tea. But they lost 5 wickets for 67 runs in the final session to end at 264 for 9, a 183-run lead. Hope ended top scorer with a career best 90. Shah, the main destroyer, spinning his way to 6 for 90. Devendra Bishu 16 and Shannon Gabriel 0 will resume on Thursday's final day, hoping West Indies with a lead of 183 can find a way to pull off an unlikely win.